Zindabad. We wish all of our nursing colleagues a very happy National Nurses Day. Today, the entire world and humanity is suffering from a major issue. The corona pandemic has affected us all. But in these difficult times, nurses are a beacon of hope. They are the ones who care for us, who ensure that we are taken care of. So they provide their services selflessly, keeping the patient and the patient's interest in front of them. I'm really happy, and on behalf of the entire Apollo family, we would like to wish all our nurses a very happy National Day. As we celebrate the bicentennial anniversary of Florence Nightingale, we are reminded of her ideas and her principles. It was in those days in the Crimean War when she started and then taught us about the importance of hand hygiene. Today, again, after 200 years, we are seeing the importance of the same. So this is very important, and it is also equally responsible. It is also a responsibility, I would say, to ensure that we follow all precautions. We support our healthcare workers, we support our nurses in ensuring that they are able to provide all the services and care to the humanity. Once again, on behalf of the entire Apollo family, I would like to thank all our nursing staff, all our nursing colleagues across the world, and wish them good health and ensure that they stay safe themselves and take care of others. Thank you.
Namaste. My heartily wishes to all the nurses of Apollo Hospitals for the Nurses Day. It is your day and it's a day for celebration. You have worked very hard during the COVID days, and it is going to be like same for the coming months. My best wishes to all of you, and may the God be with all of you forever. Thank you.
May 12th, International Nurses Day. The nurses, as many of us say, they are angels sent by God to take care of all of us. And this is more appropriate occasion during this pandemic where they do the role of not just guardians but also saviors. I thank from bottom of my heart to all the nurses for their selfless service. God bless all of them. Happy Nurses Day to all of you.
Wish all our nurses a very warm International Nurses Day. We all know our nurses are working in all conditions, as and when needed, in any medical conditions. It is the strongest pillar and the support system to the doctors. Not a single healing is complete without the nurses, we all know. So we really salutes and thanks to all our nurses in Apollo and across the world. Happy Nurses Day. Keep it up.
Namaste. International Nurses Day is being celebrated across the world on 12th of May. Just to mark the contribution of our nurses to the society. On this special and very special day for nurses, I, Jagrati Raizada, wants to pray for them and really want them to live a healthy and a strong, positive life. Very happy Nurses Day to all my colleagues. Thank you.
Namaste. Warmest greetings to our team of nurses and to all the nurses around the world. You are the backbone of healthcare. It is said, one who saves life is a hero, and a person who saves hundreds of lives is a nurse. Loads of love, respect, God bless.
Dear nurses, you are the backbone of any hospital, and more so especially in the era of COVID-19. So this is the time, very tough time rather, for everyone and more so for the hospitals. And hospital, we cannot imagine any hospital without nurses, especially in this tough time. So you are doing amazing work. I wish very good for you and all the best for your future. And my best wishes for the Nursing Day, 12th May 2020.
Namaste to all. We all know that 12th May is celebrated as Nurses Day. And on that day, our beloved Florence Nightingale was born. She was a pioneer of nursing, and today we are following her. As current scenario, we all know that we are fighting with pandemic of corona, and our nurses are fighting with this battle together. Nurses are always ready to take up the challenges and to serve the society at any cost. So today I wish you all the best and a very happy Nurses Day. Let be safe and be strong. Happy Nurses Day.
Namaste. Happy Nursing Day to all of you. During this COVID-19 scenario, I want to say all of you be safe and be strong. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Day to all nurses. Stay safe.
Namaste. On behalf of Apollo Hospitals Ahmedabad, wishes you all nurses a real warrior of today's scenario. A happy Nurses Day. Wish you all the best and keep fighting. We will definitely going to keep away the COVID-19 pandemic.
Wishing Happy Nurses Day 2020. This wishes for all the nurses who have contributed and delivered their duties in spite of all odds and become a warrior of the safety of humankind. Once again, Happy Nurses Day.
Happy Nursing Day. As we all aware that nurses are doing very great job during this COVID period, and this time they are doing they are treating all the patients like their parents, and my best wishes to all the nurses. Thank you.
Care for one, that's love. Care for hundreds, that's nursing. Wishing you a very happy Nurses Day to all my nurses friends. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness. Namaste.
Happy Nursing Day for all.